On this reel tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use a previous project and duplicating it so you don't have to redo the entire reel. So if you go to projects on the left-hand side and then go to designs and scroll down to find your preferred template. And I'm going to be using this video reel. We use this template for all of our informational reels. So in order to duplicate, I'm going to press apply all 3 pages, and then the previous reel will populate into there. All I want to do for the title page is just change the title. So once I have the title rearranged to how I want it and the words corrected, I'm going to drag and make the title page the correct time that I want it. And this is already animated, but I want to add a transition in there. So I'm going to hover over in between the videos and click the dissolve button. I use this one a lot as I think it looks the cleanest. Then I'm going to change the video. So I'm going to go to uploads and then I'm going to my previously uploaded videos. I'm going to drag this straight from there, and then it will be automatically placed correctly into the video box. Then I'm going to make sure the beginning of the video starts at where I want it to, and this one does, so I don't have to trim it. But if I needed to trim it, I would just slide the video over and crop it. Just like I'm doing on the back end right now. I want it to end exactly where she stops talking and remove any of the silent space. So on this back page is our contact page that I keep the same on every video, and these elements that I use can be found in the Elements tab, and I just searched phone, email, and Instagram, and all of those things popped up, and I was able to change the color of them to match our brand kit. If you want to duplicate any pages for any reason, you can just right-click the page and press duplicate. I don't need to duplicate anything, so I'm just going to keep it as is. But if you also wanted to animate it, you could go to the top, click animate. If you wanted to only animate a certain part of the video, so let's say if I wanted to just animate the contact info, I would right-click and highlight everything and then go back to animation, and that part will only be animated for you. All right, and at this point, our reel is completed. Just go back and rewatch it as you please. And now it's time to download it. So you can click download and download as a video, or you can do the view only or edit link to share with anybody else.